Creating an activity. Now, let's create a new activity. Heads up. Before jumping in, make sure your devices are added and you've nailed down the power and source settings. If you're not sure, check out our previous videos on adding devices, power settings, and source configuration. Trust me, getting those right first makes this part a breeze. Head over to the Activities page and hit the plus icon to start. The system will suggest some activities based on your device info. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Select a scene from the recommendations, confirm your devices, and then pick the input source for the activity. Then, the app will ask for the current power status. Tell the hub if your devices are currently on or off. This ensures your choice matches the device's current power state, preventing any issues when starting or ending an activity. Next up, button assignment. First, pick the device for your volume buttons, usually your TV or soundbar. Second, choose which device the other keys will control, usually your TV box. Finally, select the device for the soft keyboard. Give your activity a name and pick the background color and the icon. Just hit Complete to finish the setup. Now, let's cover some advanced features. Modify activity startup commands. This allows you to customize what happens immediately after an activity starts, like automatically tuning to a specific channel when you fire up TV. To do this, tap the edit icon on your activity, go to Startup Sequence, locate the spot in the sequence after the TV switches inputs, then tap Add a Command to insert your commands. Like digits 1 and yo for channel 10. You can also adjust delays between commands to ensure reliable execution. Finally, review the sequence, run a test to make sure it works, and save your changes. Macros and favorite keys. Running out of physical buttons? You can create macros and add favorite keys in the app. They'll appear as soft keys on your remote screen. Start by heading to Macro and Favorite Keys. To add a shortcut, hit Add Keys, pick your device and command, then tap Confirm to finish. Next, let's add a macro. Tap Add Macro and give it a name. Hit Add Step to enter the command setup, then choose the device and action you want. Run a quick test to ensure it behaves as expected, and hit Save to wrap it up. Finally, when the activity is running, simply tap the Favorites button, the star icon, at the bottom to access them instantly.